Here we come to the elevator at 433 West Main Street in downtown Durham, North Carolina. Look what I just found. It's an Otis Lexan. I just literally saw it throughout the window. Wow, Otis Lexan. This building is locked, but the door somehow wasn't shut all the way, and I just happened to get inside out of nowhere. Cab has obviously been redone. So Otis Lexan fixtures. This whole building is being gutted out, as you can see here. But look at these fixtures. Otis Lexan fixtures. This is actually my second Otis Lexan I found in Durham. Unfortunately, the one at 119 Orange Avenue is locked, but that's still original but inaccessible now. And let's go back down to one. The one button light is burned out, and this elevator was installed in 1974. And also, the Sunbake building elevator is now gone because the building is demolished. For those of you who want to film this elevator, I don't know if you're able to access because the door is usually locked. I'm gonna go for one more ride. The door slams. All right, listen to the motor. Love that classic leveling. A lot of trash out there. This building is definitely empty. I wonder what's going to happen to it soon. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.